Hi and welcome to another new watch unboxing. Let's unbox and see what is inside. The pleasure it gives when you're unboxing a new watch is unexplainable. It is the first San Martin on the channel. Let's unbox and see. It's the Pelican case. This is not from the official San Martin website, and this is not an official San Martin watch as well. And this watch I bought from Diverse Watch factory store from AliExpress. This is an I will get to the watch, but this is an collaboration watch. That's why this comes in this particular Pelican case rather than the new San Martin box. What you get inside the box is a user manual, a San Martin tag, and the warranty card. It is sealed. Date is not mentioned, but don't worry, this has 2-year international warranty. Let's see if we get anything inside the box. There's no tools. I thought they will send some kind of a tool. Nothing in here as well. I think they have missed it or something. I need to contact the store because it should supposed to come with 2 tools, a screwdriver and a spring bar tool. Alright, let's get to the watch and see. Let's unwrap the watch. This is their BB58 Homage. This is the version 2. This is a little bit different to the version 1. This comes with an matte ceramic bezel, whereas the original one came with an glossy bezel. This model number is SN004 version 2. I went for this watch because I always like the look of BB58, especially in this gilt colorways. And this is one of the best BB58 homages you can get on AliExpress. Let's unwrap this watch and see. Let's take these polythenes off. Right, the polythenes off. Have a look at that dial, guys. Absolutely fantastic. It's all about matte finish on this watch. It's a domed sapphire crystal and San Martin logo on the crown. Screw down case back. This is the Rolex type one, which makes the watch slimmer with this particular case back. Let's have a look at the bezel. I hope you can hear that. It's a very nice tactile feel to it. One of the best bezels I have experienced. It's really fantastic indeed. Yes, it aligns perfectly. This red accent on the bezel gives a very nice look to this particular watch. This is one of the biggest reasons I went with this color. It's really nice indeed. Let's see if the watch is up and running. Let's find the watch. Yes, it's up and running. It comes with an NH35, so you have a ghost portion. This is because it comes with a date wheel. Let's set the time. A very nice action. Oh, look at that. It's very nice action. Let's go back and see. Very nice action and very good crown proportions. Very easy to maneuver. It's not so difficult. It's matte black or some grate into it. Applied our markers and gorgeous look. Let's have a quick look at the bracelet. It comes with female endings and not the reverted bracelet which the original comes with. It comes with an oyster bracelet with brushed finishing to it. And also this watch comes with the new San Martín clasp. It's a fully milled clasp and with the new quick adjustment clasp, which is very nice indeed, which is absolute quality. Let's have a quick look at the watch in my wrist, how it looks. I'm having a 6.5-inch wrist, very nice proportion indeed, and it looks really nice on my wrist, and I really love the look of it. Sorry, I'm showing you this on my right wrist because I'm wearing my Pagani design on my left wrist, which is also a very nice watch. Have a close look at this dial. The hour markers are applied and framed. I'm not so sure about the logo. I think it's a printed one, not an applied logo. Double dome sapphire. And see, we will test all these in our full review to this watch. Let's have a quick look at the measurement. It should be a 38 watch. Yes, it measures around 39. It's the way I'm measuring it. Bezel comes around 38.8. I think it's lug to lug is shorter. Yes, 45. That's why it wears very well on a wrist like mine. And also it comes with a female ending which gonna help you with the measurement. It is only 47.1. And let's see the thickness of the watch. It is 13. That's what I said. With this case back, it reduces the thickness. Otherwise, it will go above this with the dome crystal. Alright, guys, that's it for now. Please hit that subscribe button and watch out for this full review of this particular watch. It already looks very gorgeous indeed.